Okay, I am going to be using Bini. So my first can't understand the whole language. Oh my God. Over Saga Moslolekia over Sabi Sabi. Anything you call me, my darling, I'm good with it. No problem. So some are begging me to use the English, but there are some things I'm going to be saying anyway. I will not use English to say it. So let's go. Then we have 3 topics there, and now like Saga die 800 or something going to 1,000. Assuming I'm saying very tangible thing here now, people will not come. People will not encourage. So you guys are the people that is encouraging Saga in Edo cyberspace. You viewers, you are the people encouraging this whole thing, because it's like we all now find relief. You find peace in hearing people insulting other people. I believe that is what is giving you guys peace of mind now, because so many people these days, they are going through a lot. I understand, but let me tell you, instead of encouraging things like this, like encouraging people to be insulting other people, why not go and do something? Go and do something that will make you happy, because this one is going to make you more depressed. Okay, so that's for that. So we have 900 and something. Let's go there. Now, this issue on ground, the issue on ground that's been going on for the past 2 weeks, if I am not mistaken. To be very, very sincere, I never wanted to talk. Edo where era no momo I feel lugbe I am a boko yi. Okay? Yeah, but Sabi is a name, yeah. Era no momo I am a tin yi. I am a boko yi. Era no momo I feel lugbe yi. So that is why I can boastfully say that I am one of the most popular Edo musician. Now, I don't know about tomorrow, because they said the beautiful ones are not yet born. I believe that the people we are training now, the people, our apprentices that we are training, we are not training them to go and sell tomatoes or to go to the farm. We are training them to come and use this same work to eat, to make it in life. So there is a tendency that those people that are coming, they are going to make name. They are going to be bigger. So what are we not saying? So that is why I say for now. Because Bini, they use on the make parable say, Imaneru no mo masema. Timaneru no mo masema. So anybody where we teach and work, it's a prideful something that the person will be bigger than you. You go they use on the knack chest and me teach and work. Okay? So, but for now, I will categorically say that Lady of Song is one of the biggest musicians in Edo State. So that is why they say to whom much is given, much is expected. Okay? So that is why I know the reason people are expecting me to talk. I know people are expecting me to talk. This issue has been going on, and I told myself, oh, Sagoli Foundation, thank you, Mama, you're welcome. I said, I'm not going to talk on this issue. Thank you, Toby John. I said, I am not going to talk on this issue. And many people, my fans, my lovers, have been calling me, say, please, don't talk on this issue. Allow them to talk. When they are tired, they go. You see, I know they are looking for your own, but don't talk. I said, but I am not watching them. That's the truth. I'm not watching. Sometimes my husband will tell me, this is what I watch. Sometimes my sister will call me, this is what I watch. They're the one that even make me to know that something is going on. I am not watching. I don't see them. I have blocked, in fact, thousands of bloggers, thousands of presenters. I have blocked so many, both national, all those people for Lagos. If I just say, even though it's not my matter, you they talk. As far as you are a negative blogger, I will just block you. I will just block you. I have blocked so many presenters and bloggers, you know. So I am in another place when it comes to social media. I am in another space. I don't see what is going on. So the people around me are the people that would come and tell me, oh, look at what they are doing. My brother, my junior brother, he called me, look at what is going on. My sister called me, even my husband, look at what is going on. I said, yeah, I don't see them more. I know they see them again. The people that I love are the people that I am watching. The people that are positive. This one again. The people that are positive, they are the people that I watch. You know why? I need positive energy. I want to be seeing people that will inspire me. You know, people that I will learn from. That is what I watch. So, when the issue started, they are looking for, they send me a lot of links. So I will click it, will not enter. I was okay, I've blocked this one. That is why it's not entry. So I'll just forget about it. But it now got to a point which is this morning I watched Lady Monica live video. I think it's this afternoon. Yeah, I watched it and I was surprised. I said, okay, let me come out and talk. Since it's like, you people are expecting me to talk. Una need Esther on. But una go take make money. Una need Esther on. Una want blog. If Esther on not join, he not go work. If Esther on not there, he not they work. So okay, let me come out and just air one or two things about this whole matter. And let me ban this person first. So, first and foremost, I want to talk about my co-musicians. Everything about this Europe tour stuff. You know, I told you guys that it is 3 topics in one. I don't want to come out another day to talk about this topic. I want to say it now, once and for all. So that is why it is 3 in 1. If not, I would have said, okay, let me do 1. Tomorrow I do 1. No, I don't have that time. I don't have it. So let me do everything together. Then, the musicians issue. When I heard about this matter, that they are saying Europe tour must stop and all that, I was laughing. The reason I was laughing is this. If you, as an artist, you dey make I use Benin for this one. When a musician, una ere turi ewebo, uweri ewebo, ebo ma we ewelo yare, ebe wo yare. Listen to me. Uga ewebo ma we o yare, ebe wo yare, evisa nu yare, ogwe. Maybe tin ya we resemblance nu or I don't know. Imagine why am ye beni o, ebe nu yare eni waro. Or a fake no. Then I will advise you now, Egijo, total you wa, because anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen at the end of the day. Bana, I won't really be well again. Why do you be like that? Do me we fake no? Be well. Then I got me we be well no. My darling brother, my darling sister, be well yare. If you say yare ni o bueno. Eni woro wogele ye basi yari e ima bege mi pa ima bege rizion pa no ago amoha no ago agoyogore no ago amoha we arun pa no ruwo wage no ma even ya mi ebe o ma ego eyan ri ebe nu eyan de ticket we enu gbe so se for me kwerie iku enu ke wiku o mere de no ga imwe fon dagbe o we emi na na imwe na we no salo bade yo wo bo nu yari eva nu yakoke moko kame e de ga igbe iye jinwi na o ya gwaligo o mi go ya eva o emi ni ewu ye u ni imwe fon dagbe o rovi okwo o ri go bo ya eva then nugwe wina nugwe na mi go nwe yari eva o ga imwe fon dagbe. I should stop reading comment. Okay, fine. I will. Odo tawe inye here stop you when you get you uma when you don't bow. Eta mu we ugu dona mu no makeke no mu relelebe. Eta mie we ugu de una kunebo lelebe we tu mu yan zeveki. Eta mie ugu de ana do mie we ashawo we do agbere bo na etu ehuna ehunwan we do aso we do agbashawo onya mu we gina but ruda we uwe bobo umara umadebe court umawe ni dan uwe bobo nu ya gwalera eri ni mori na mi ri enete ri enegbe agu ana we nuge iwe orun pada wa ladi ana we now nuge iwe. Then we realize that we don't do ata we wala ordinary number 1. Me nu wa we wala ba o. Let me meje me ma offend moi. Degi menesta na offend moi. Menesta me na we mi. Nobody should temper justice with mercy. Okay? Kenina really we mi no makeke. Please. Don't be a fake friend, okay? Don't be a fake friend. Just call me and talk to me. You know, because the Bible said open rebuke is better than secret love, okay? So, open rebuke is better than secret love. Get to ame. Get ka wo danu na se me u bere kene mata je u tama me o u wa tema me esta mi nu na u ma we se wa hia gbe me wa ge vie musician me no ke ba because ya give me ni u ya ma pa ma eva wa face me wa gbe me je mi ni u wa na me gbe me ye mi ni u ne because o ma no we mama somebody that loves you when you error they will tell you the truth. After telling you the truth, they will still bring you to themselves and say, we love you. Then you will know that they did that. They try to build you. They scolded you so that you can retract your step. That is not hatred. But this time now, when your friend do something, you will not tell him or her the truth. You go hide, you go they pamper your friend for bad thing. So now, I ask myself, and I ask every other person, what is the reason? What happened that these people now came out to say, no more Europe tour? What happened? I know. Good evening. I love you, ma. I know that Benin, we are minority. Benin, we are minority. It is quite understandable. We are not large. When you see Yoruba people, they are nationwide. Big. Even some parts of Benin say Yoruba speaking tongue, they inside. Then Igbo, they are big. Hausa, they are big. If Calabar is even bigger. Then Benin, that is the minority, that is very small. We still have different language inside. Inside this small Benin, we still have different language. Afemai, what's it called? Ishan. Different language inside. What is it called? Wamo. I don't forget their name. Different languages inside Benin. So Ishan now, they use Bini. Most of Ishan people, they use Bini. They use Bini till they sing. They go sing miss out with their Ishan people, Ishan language, because they're still small. So they try to manage our community. They try to manage our community because we small. Now, because that is what they go say Bini na room and a palace. Say nothing where you want to do for Bini. We not go expose. Before you know it, don't because your person and my person, your friend and my friend. That is why if woman now they do crew care for Bini, they try to they sharp, they friend different men they go. You are only fooling yourself because you go end up in dating your ex-boyfriend brother. You go date him. You don't go know. Because Benin is a small place. That is why we need to be very careful. You can't find out say the friend where you don't first date before now the friend to who you date now. Benin is as small as that. So when the issue of Europe talk came, we all started. Before this old Europe tour issue started, people have been going to Europe to play. Somebody like Mama Naomi, she done the travel for a very long time. She done the travel, go they play. Even Saint Destiny don't travel before, go play. Oh, God bless you. I don't need to go school again, don't late. Now my grandchildren want to go start school now because now the new one can train now. So time not there for me to go school again. Now money me they pursue now. So they say I know they read comments, I know they hear. Is it madam stay one language? No, I go they miss some. So these people they don't they travel. It bank good. They don't they travel. No problem. Then Yoruba musicians don't they travel for a very long time. Igbo musicians they travel, they go abroad, they do show. No wahala. It can't reach Bini people turn. When it reached Bini people turn, we started traveling. As we started traveling, because Bini is a small place, and I said, they say, musician too many. Musician many for Bini. Which day for year I do? I say, musician never many reach for Bini. Because people who they teach work now, we know they teach them, make them go sleep. They want come, they use the work till they chop. So musician never many for Bini. No work where people not many. No business where people for not many. No business where people for not many. If you reach market now, you go see fish line. Oh, where here, different people here working here, different fish. It's okay in Scuba, it's okay in Sese, it's okay in Melusa, it's okay in Solo, different fish. In ya fete ya here any fo. In ya here ke. It's okay in 5 carton. It's okay 10 carton. It's okay va. It's okay ba. Depends on when the work bese. Depends on when the customer were strong is say. Depends. But ebo ya mo so ye here. In ya gwale ba eri no mo. Wa so book mo. Oye busy. Ema ye we na yakin mo because in ya do yakin mo. Emani here we na yakin we here do ka do da we bu no mo we ye yakin mo. O be ge we bo ye kin ya mi bo o be la o ke we yakin. Musicians, as we start to they go Europe, who never see go, they pray, say God make I see go. So lo ba give some egbe ni bejo ya play. As far as ugwa si moi, ujikuvedo, era no reve goma ya koko. E mani wa manae, e anae, aneru we gumebe ebe mani wa menae. Ihia doka we rudan we, estaliona wanjo, ovia gege jesu jo, oleti jo, iya rudoni na mehia ijo, rudoni na mehia ijo, ni atota yowa, hell. Enwe fe ni ruweki ni kimi veki. Uga suweki ebo yakimi. Dan do go kyoge. We mu emi weki mu shede. Meme mo gibe meme do shede. Ema no kia do gwi ma demi. Oga vere ma o ma gede. O be ari oge no pa. O be ya ve. ma get there. Oh, we are no ba we have. Oh, my so do me no do consider ne we. Gume wa hine. Ni manager at all. Oh, we hine. But me so what I we ya de. Area ya hin. He reduce. Oh, ma there yo we. And they not tell we ya hin ni. Oh, ma go what day. No, they don't do no ya tie. Oh, ma ko what no do ye hin. They will not consider any. We ma we me down. No we consider ne we go me manage ni ki o ne very only. We ma we me down. E dan do no mu yoge ari ki. O even no ya ki mi yoge. Then Rudare edokere. And the maya no wini na no de we bodo akpi wana. Ese kopa maya je. Ese kopa maya waje. Maya miegbe. O se maya hin. O te maya hin. Agbon ya we are in one circle. Ege na ya ye Europe to. Ege soma. We ga Ladiania. Ari Holland. A different tribe. Inya we a show. Ivye Ghana. Ivye Sorona. Ivye Nokpa. Eya viema. Traditionally ya viore do awe show. Ivye we veladinya enjoy binya. Me jokpa we last year. Bebe Holland jokpa. A somana different all over the world, Africa. Eya ya yewebo. Eya ya sin one ya we cultural heritage yan to entertain their people. No matter what it seems, no re ewebo. Now, because manivye dokere, or I was sege summer. I'm with a postal adian. Every summer. Otu Arena top different artists every summer. Whether like Facebook, we not like Instagram now. We are begging different artists. E ya fe ye we bo. Iya ya we show because e bo yan ze. E do e so ivye do. When e rema ye na ivye do. Ivi Kalaba, ivi Gbowi Yoruba ni wa we hip hop. Name them. E bo yan ze. They are serving the whole world. Oma kwebunse because the whole world in serve ebo ni adame yo ebo nebo iya adame inwe Nigerian sine in fact iya rikweme nwa inwe Nigeria ya adame yo ya enjoy so ubege na we advantage ya is that they are serving the whole world oma kwebunse koma kwevuyanse they still need more but because they are national or worldwide a complain lo dore. Because we are very small. Very small. And the people in Madua, the community of the Edos, then we poster ladian. A poster no ladian we dove here now. O me say 20. O me say then another way poster yan video, when you now. I want to say something. I will stop reading. I dege ni someone arena. E dama doge no gi musician e. Inya mwe postal latin. We are the Euro tour. Organizer, show organizer no re a street wear. Ona muya. Monte. E o manorie a show we year na. E o de next year. Oh, my no show where here not the next year. Oh, different faces here already. So no very last year be real because even here when the way that they love you they'll still come. But oh my no show we here now. Oh, the next year. A boy one we so we here now. Or marry no moving up babowa. But next year what do fear bobo bafwa. Oh, what liria we got there. You not have a last year where you will be quiet. Here everything one also. In your head can be a woo or can job with blood pet or petty way or win a day because in we was Sony or what in you all day. I will not read again. All day. So it's so what it all or whenever every year must to read. Now a show promoter na a artist or restrictive well on an artist. You can decide not to come. Nobody know who you go when what so far you go where. When you can go where you can decide to say ijo nupo But a year now, or my day conducive women here, yo. O ma me ni no do time a public yo. No, you owe nobody an explanation. Nobody. No can explain ma. Where he dey. You and your God yourself no see no they go. You enter your house. Nobody know they don't know what so manare. You understand? Then in a sitting uje, una me onga mwema day. Una me decide where uhiare. O wa be ade. O wa be ade. We ne solo boya le yo ya to wa be we be oni. Emi na re toma we na le mi na re mi na e. Then a process in a musician say yare na. Inya re. Oya me taiban we e mo ya ni hie we ke ya ye hie. No like iwo. Now this is for the show promoters. Wo hia demi, wo enu ga de no easy no na hie kakabo. Okay, iga iga ina. Omo se iga she de yan rere do. O de. E so be ro we no giga no gien na or cheap. Ya do ya me no the guy no gien o be de. Yo e ma no hie mi na yo e the level of customer no me. E artist na mwe poster la we yan we Europe tour. Kakabo mu pa mu we na be ge. Iga mu artist na ina hion ya mi gowa. Iga mu artist na ina hion ya mi gowa u ge. Una ge go mi gowa e artist ni o eni o ge kekebe ni we no we. E ma like we no we ma be like the artist e ma aladian then uwe vese uwe ve no wan setting asa ve no wan we iga be miewo because a live video ni watch you know the miewo ko pa call we e show ya fe ni ni ege ni ro madam o to oge gbe wa go to oge o go ta madam because when he measure na he setting rigome yari ye business igi we business ni magene ibe gbe we giver imagene ibe gbe wo pogea imagene pogere ibe we magene that means say reve magba be ri oni there reve na gba ke ni we business ni igene they did not get we like the business we business ni oni a uno ya ke gbe we ikakapo ivese we no gun me hie ibe gene iga vil ma hie me iyewe iga vil ma hie me ide ipa force so oni na ga woni then maya mwe postal adia me visa gi me e brother me visa ge e sister no ba me visa ge ori e visa ni go yari e ori egwe ni ya ari ewe bu o mari egwe ni yari iwe cupboard oga mwe postal adia e ma no like anybody na dey show na hien show gbe so ti ki o pa hien va anybody no like yan ari show re no ma me like e jo that do get me fans ore so oni na ga woni then ema ni ri show ima ema ni ri show ima e me hia gi gugu na wa ni re do a wash ima e me hia gi gugu na because in ya do atani we wa ni re do a wash ima or complain me yan which me I know wo you know iye we wa ni re do a wash ima complain e mani bun eso sigban wo wa eso si ona eso yeah make na we e kene presenter na we show iye iwari e fun iye ako iye ga gun a ohun e we emi wo mana o wa e wo na e o ni sunu o ma gba na wa si o te no leso wa ni wa na wa si o te no iye wa do toge o wi ni ke ye show o wi ko pa ni and ejo o wa toge eso be ro iye wa ya rejo ma o wa rejo ma we do who call you no wa te no we gbe yo iye rejo ma yo to o do te no we gbe yo then wa ni ri show ima ni zewe magari we bodo we to mami o e ma ni organize iviere be miemi rie la lo why we go why we enjoy gbugbo wa kere pa ime we ni medola se fenata mu wa we no matter Emi no here soon we life ina. Mane musician do certain look down on wa. Never. Mane musician do. My setting yo boba biwa weba river. Why? Wani rewe bo why we maniro wa tima wa we na wo salo bwanu pogeva. Why get tima wa we wado rescue ima le do. Ima le do mami we musician ka. Di obini ase o. De ga mono rewe bo. E ravije ni bunya mo wa e renti yaji o mona do lawe bona do bo wari yaji. Ogwe soro na ga na mi ba eri yunu. O mona do lawe bo. Ogi be rige ba egi baba gije ni ami ya ari ba ruki agba. E so do mu tiyan lawe bo. Tiyan give live where. Ti ma ge mani rewe bo we na go salobua. Wa o mani di na tamu wa. Now Enwani ribe ni talona mere wagian because onwa no kai newe onwa na die we bodo we show awa na de poster yo to onwa no kian ye show unu no ojo ne oye no ojo wo iye poster wa bu o otobo ori eri o selete ya jona of ye go pa o ya mu egbe ko in its own conducive time. As in a very conducive way, when we in onona ni choose na capability yen ability yen na je on a here meeting you without stress ni here na do you we ya go we o ene o wa le vie go but na only here gelejo we mana jori me o be je na o jori colleague me o pa no ijobo ne gedegbe ewu who the major me be ye na mami who we dey dowe o mami who David double that no my be boom and ye rao. A man no man can like a lady of song before, but today they like me. And they can change a man. Change is a constant thing in nature. So yan yo giwa no what do we so yan. Okay, where oh me no go back be ku why man. What you already next thing what we me so. Emi ni wa oni wa e wo makodia but why yawe now ima only go to maybe a show ya swear na do ya we you know trust I don't that is not the reason I am here me do mudi adomo a musician ya fe artist a musician ba e ma no we entertainment never do gwan wota na we ma na entertainer sini redo ma setting diri ba ne kovun ni ma disrespect wa ni wie do ni ma mukubu adie do ni ma disrespect wa madam wa gui esowo ni be ladian tana we ori mi yen wo de o matun there is an adage in Benin where arun opa ga le ba ene wo ya ese e wo ya ri ese bete boya ga le ba na ru pa ese ti UFO e de be musician ji me no ya ku be obito pa e wo rebito ni yan fime ibe ya ku wo be eni be ye ko be dere be ku yan fime then e ma ni fini meni e so ido de kun yan wo de igbera yan iman yan ahwe iro we iga fine be dere o gibe won na gbera me o ma tuwo me eri o wa yi o inwe we musician ki an setting inwe mo ma setting o ma mi me ni won sike ma se e meta mu wa secret opa na o ma me ni won sike musicians se iyan we yan se ti pretend we yan we o re no yan ma yan we o me no wu guyan ku constantly iyan do jiwe o ru da garun we stage ne adegoma my bewoma warun we stage ni o ma me nu wu siko ese we fi we to yo o he wo ma to we o but o se na mi wo ma be ni meje ni na mo go dem ni gun mo go ya mi o ma itwo o kere o kan ma o o polo o o ke me ya to we na gbera oh we o momo ke me ya to we e so ro yan gegbi yan mama e show no we yan ga reva no gbe say we yes I remember and the man remember. But I want to make you feel okay, make you feel at home and comfortable. Into admit okay, jerene, oh okay, jerene. Because in a doata we majere, almost we are gegbewe. And at the end of the day, but he only easy way of the stress. He do agree, okay, yes, he remember. So we make now feel relaxed. I do twegbe, I to be ne make ba. Why me don't we get away? Okay, matado ijerene. Okay no. Ibajere. Efesi di mi ebugbe, imajere. O me be ni ma ya support egbi ma e. Ma support egbi ma. Ani ke na gui. Odo wa me ye gui en divorce. Ami iwe ma ni business opa. Ani ke na gui. Ma be gui me be settle. So don't lock my comment or I don't lock the comment on our body. No. Please open the comment. Sarah, open the comment. Don't lock it, please. Don't lock it, please. Let them comment. I beg you in the name of God, please. Let them comment. So on in our warning. Then I want to appreciate everyone. No really showing money. No you do. You are a Benin person, not a Benin person. No you attend they show money. May God bless you. If you know you cannot attend, don't worry. Don't bother yourself. Don't stress over it. Don't bother. God knows say you no fit. You no fit displease yourself. May you take please another person. The one you can attend, and let it go. Even though say 1 million can't come, you don't already look your pocket. Say you no go. Don't worry. Okay. If we come show like this, now money you go take visa, now money you go take buy ticket, and at the end of the day, the organizer go still take you on for his side. This Europe tour they go so not be only we in the favor. My dear brother MC Jerry Angel don't talk so many things. I watch a live video, when he do. I watch him. I was like, "Emi I'm not wrong in mind. A boy not say yani. If you hear dota." Can I hana we show ni on my nowhere on me again okay DJ na mu on me igu nwome MC mi igu nwome mani do fingo be bani ave bridge changer iye mi igu nwome mani we taziveri ani iye mi igu nwome hotel no re ani iye mi igu nwome ave bonori visa ni mani ma yare no wa wetin yan kan oh iye me nwa ave bonori visa ni ma ni majare iye ma iye me nwa okay magi me nwa se bona eboma ewe or see anyone na report they go fe ask you iyan ahia no water where are you staying eyan ka no do mama nu here stay ke okay ke ni stay in a family ni stay ke do me family dey hotel here stay you if a hotel can stay you are where hotel can stay yin we nu mwe e hotel nu bookire umwe meyan we hotel na hin umwe meyan then you go. So ebo no the visa ni ma we anything ma do we bo na I ma do spend go abi ma yin ma do spend go starting from the ticket yan ma here then ma ya life flight economy orin boost o we pe body a flight ticket e pe body iyan mi we ma ga say we bone ma like azi economy orin ya boost. Ma we shopping economy orin ya boost. Iya getting ma ima be do shop ima be do spend go we niya. O sie niya na ri ni ma. Dem niya go reject so wa me de to le o be le ban o be kin liability o be do o be ari maru. But once they know una a document in uvia na back here I beg you go no rakanti we. E gegen yare visa no because iya we to wa do lu go we wiyan. Iya makon. So if name na get tag because the number 1 ye na number 1 ye na me like 2 me like 3 name na get tag be e me soro no tiyan we musician ire we bo anyway nerun saloba geve soten me gbe dopa no we ade oga ko wo ma na mure eme go boy, in my way also. Guess where? I'm your man, sing women. I'm your man, sing women. Any musician or game musician, 100 song. Who must me one way, no like him, one so, who will swear. I mean, not sing women, or when no one boy, better Moruna ya sing one, a man like even or ya sing one on the stage. Giamwe. No, ya sing one. There is no comparison about this whole job. Et dans le me destiny aurait. Et rien n'a quoi sur moi. Et rien n'a ma ou. Et rien non pas. Different complain. On a carrément no de. Et deve na. On aurait 1 million times. Veni me jena. On va na tie me bi wina. Ika jono de we de. Et show ni me kia una vacation ire. A vacation if you can't return before a vacation ire tire do wina ire do mi me a vacation ire na cho na re well lady of song I want book you since you there around may you come play yeah it do ta we winner it we in winner because na vacation I come it we in winner na vacation I come. That means not you have a shift in you. That means why Joe? Not you have a shift in you. We know I go yesterday, I know I'll go again. When no have a rain, I know okay, go me way, but a toy me may say. A toy me or may say. Emani bungwa ye wa gie oh Emama reo, my dear. Let me tell you one thing. Emesoro no ya dem ya mweki. Iya lose. Ya mweki ya lose. Emi go no ya no emi we go ma we gain. Oma no we business in should understand that sometimes you will gain, sometimes you will lose. Most of the time our traveling is to boost our handles as in maybe where yes, Dublin is going to hold. Maybe I raise the shoulder where international musician mahibekin. All the yima be upgrade. Eh mani bunreba. Aware or aya upgrade. Then a so be family man ya be do amie. In the process no ya be me family organi wuna na wa be wo be ba. Now e mani show ima. Ima na we show. We show ene eva ma deyo. Udwa beyi. Udwa taloa, udwa vie. Udwa vie we show ni wa de una eva ma deyo. So we te expect when ne deyo. Va go lose the business. Va go lose. Business na gain. Na lose. Una be jo e mama ladia. Who will understand to boost your profile? God bless you. Who will understand the work? Mani be ladia. Yama be setting with ladia now. Oh, mani ebo nu joni ebo ni amu we ari ni mani rebo ni. Iya ivie do reba or ivie do ni reba ni ye show. Who will understand? Webe ma o ma organize why koko ga the loss. Why koko ga ona ri ogo na ri oge. Ta do get pa. Take your loss, I take my loss. Everybody move. Uga be jono me jebo ne mana like you ebo ne fancy je. Uwe gogo, uwe pomsaloba we ogano. De no ma heme do laja do ata we e show no ba uno de mama re o. Rudani mana we live video no wa age no. Rudani mana we live video. I got a show. I will do the fancy me no rowa. Ni I make them watch a show man. Because they are my fans, they want to watch my show. Ni mana we live video no one wage. Oh, wana tie be. Bene ma yare, bene ma yare, bene no no. And now it will stop. Me, I am telling my fellow musicians now. Woman nukia do buma. Woman nukia do give. Don't want no give one weke babu ware. No weke do come where wado casti do bossy we show ni ba una error. En mate go we fancy ni ro wa yen be gogo. But now that in tie be in do we be in do geni age do weni we e mamare. No more live video when you are on show. No more live video. E fancy no like you no ma seti re. Name be no yare or city no jeujo. Come here, oh, I'm sorry, my darling. Again, ni di yari. Again, ni yari. Sitting uje, wa have wash me. Egwi mommy, magi we live video ma re show. E do wag money go ma ki go le lo ma. But again, na we win na asu se ama bege. Wagagi we live video me gitamu wana wa re show. Wagabe Davido nia. Ami anyway, e fancy ya we video. E fancy ya. Ogbeso yan to bi yan e ma ni le yan jo ave otiyan o e ma no si ken yan ave workers yan. Iyan be mo fun yan record de kere. Iyan do post e ofo kere e ken yan be record yourself. As in very small. 1 minute, 2 minutes, and you record the service show. Oh, to arena when me live video, where me live video there. When oh to arena vont say where me live video there. Kere do post do beg where a show. I will live video. You give you donia my one live video there. Ya wa mwege u wa mwege then no wa no do respect akoya o. Okay, when you no I will have good if you show na ma dey yo. E dia wa gbe we hey. No more live video. Apologize to your fans. Ebe na mi area we show when wari owa. We set recording 1 minute. Una onu post wa so one post. Ege no kon we ya post umo manu kia do buma. No more live video. Oni na ga goni because a live video do so me no save nana yana. Oni na ga goni then I want to tell you guys, when no ye show, when no es when ye show, de na ya show now. Whether you are in Canada, whether you are in UK, you are in Ireland, you are in Europe, when no ye show ye na ya show. Allah go da oki an me dagbon we. O mi dobo. O salo ba ki an bless you we. E nu boy no mo ki an dino den we. In wina nu wina. O mi adegi eke wa Allah go da oki an mi e. When we ya ladian, we ya go me ya support me na be bo me na. Umi dobo igo o ekponu fio boy na wijo boni imonu we bie ekeni ari na gwali yobo o salo ba kan push on na wijo bo be ni yan be push egiyan lu da ekponu we na rigo nu we ya wijo boni o salo ba mana we nu we direct o we no monu bie o we no tun idole mana mo nwa wa we si nu we ya je esho ori ma. Yeah, where anybody ne program be fun ma honori show. Di live video do tie. You don't I want nego all the time. Federal government ye broke. I may well money hustle ni struggle. Anybody can broke. Osi eni na we party mama na re o ma no kare mare igui. Ya invite o ma igui because ye we enyo sunu. Ya ye we show we do because me ready ni ya wu. Asas ye ragbo ya ye we party ya igudo gwi wu marie party me we no erene ye oga upe kan wa o ya jo kenagi u kedo magi jo u jo ye uki ama uki ya gun uki a tuto me you to to me bo agbo setting gbo e no man jo kaka Ruda, there are some people who like a party or jo. E men so roman like it. Iyan bi a watch a live video but now na ma stop a live video na magi u. We no ma ka be jo ye. O mari mago ma dan kin. Ruda go marry show. Una ido ma dan. Wo ma dan. When he meje introvert making. Then the night musician. Age ami me. Introvert iki. O wa me stage ila dian re ti riku. So when no ma eswere does that make you a bad person? Or magwale progress that or if no. Ogwariku. Ogwajo. Or mahonwenajo is not your team. Anytime no me yahonwenajo we jo. O salobo ave bless you we. Umae kajo ye. So ma umae lajan denu doka we. Wa gbiyan. Wa wona wa mweria. Ala go da okian me. Una no really win na be denu yari e ene mori no dori na me nu ya ma bagbon no seti mori o boda zen wo so be mori a uga ikun go ni you nu weri yo wo gukun mi so iwa do le mana pon wa ya iyen ge wa gie wa ma gie wa so wa ma gie wa van ru da ma na jiku o ma no jiku e me ge no do ya ta lo bi bai o ma no be jiku Every day do asobi by ruda. Woman no ado tama. Woman ave jo no me hedu majoro. E choice we no. Iwuni ajena e wagia. Wa wese le bima. When waya supporting ma. When waya we ma. When waya try by all means where owo ma adi owo ma die. Owo ma na meroji. Owo mama ve mi go ya fi. Igo ya muwe. When a musician iga ya muwe I mean no. Ugbeso aga mume biku. Ikuni emi no fime. Ina do oza ve wiku na mana fime ina place eh. En womo bo diviana mi di energy. Ikuna mana fini me. Me na place eh. And the day igari ikuni you do wiku gume we so place no na ku eh. So e mana miewe, e mana do muwe. As a workman, even if the money na small money they take carry you, do your best for that place because you don't know when you go take carry big job. Make a big job in here, Larry. Whether you ma feel, or ma no setting the ticket in me, or the ticket, or yala wa, or ma no get the show, no the show organizer, no way the show. When ticket no can amigo, no ya pay workers, no ya pay ho, no ya warona, maybe I will do here no by. They no way ticket in or not no ya pay ne. Artist no do play. A pay no any. Why can wear one managi spray no do aso. A managi spray no do wear. I'm a pay no wear. Before we keep my water, you go no wear vein when you were may walk, you go ni all who wear. And a pay no any. You go ni any $105 and get your own. Oh, Kabori go to West Aloboa. Oh, man, only $5 in your own. You saloba when who are moving here. Oh, I work, but I no marry you. And then man no fina. Iye ma do fi when you make na here. Iye ma do fin when you make na do pay ni ya with the be. Iye ma do iye ma be show where because unya re no do uni ya with the be. Oga area ya where e ma no re show. Ta ade gbe do ajo ya with the be. Ave Davido ave whiskey din ya wulo for ane ya wulo kwa for nothing sake. Inu ya metin jo. Okay, rudangi re show where dead yo. Igiri show where na. Igiri Nigeria do we party marry show me. You get the way party, ina the way marriage you marry. Artist in where you show ge, uma o ebo to, be television like in one ge, like him no una dear show ge. Then we what and we what do invite artists in we no dear marriage you way. Huh? You don't know a show again, o we no dear marriage you way. That means who we must say get no the moon where we be. We must say get no the moon where we be. In man where we are moon where we be. I love you when die we are a show again. Then we need that artist no dear show where you need that artist no you all know a face or get show a marriage me or a burial here una a party here una artist na you know river. What do you do? OTA a shanwe show a weekend in my yayi kuwedo Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All the dia koyo a normal day. But Friday, Saturday, Sunday, my yayiku. OTA, here we party. You all do play. Many go ya play. Who go? Or a prize in me. Maybe we are where different prize in your name. That dog go work. Emanire we bo. It a prize of any man in oh. Imasho. Ruda many meje. May you bok bamuiku. And the musician already your word. In your bok bamuiku. Hell, I was a witness. My husband's friend, Two-Face, when they contacted my husband, a prize in all year. Igareva. Later, when I give a tear, we are prize in nobody near Igareva. Or different. Or maybe the same price. It was totally different. A musician, you mood yari prize in do me tamuana. A musician, yeah, you mood yari prize in Ubeso deso wa mogogo. Oh, go. We are what call if you. And then you're gonna rely on water. You're gonna rely on water. But so you buy me with 500,000. Me couldn't. Oh, what did you say? No way, me, mother. Oh, ja. Now we'll check a WhatsApp you way. Mammy won't back. Me a president Marian and eating away. Oh, because me fee where me a hune me ami won't be pay. Ye the brand name, mo go pay mo go away. Esther. We go one. Check it WhatsApp we. You check it WhatsApp we. You know we go. We me a we there yo. E gba to da for me one naki we say. E man e dey at president man. E ko na arin erin we. You can't see any price. Ugbe so mood kenu avia jeme nu avia o the real price in we ya yiku o kianta e ko ale ne we the real price in we ya yiku we ya fian ye via munoma that's of a row ya we kaka kan the real price ni we o iri yiwo price ni gele ya yiku cause when we price ni expenses we o run na o ye be mi agege bo we on a rewebo na the price of it on a musician up no ye the same price ya mu kwiro o si emega mu iku ne na se we enu ya ta me ma hia we ya munu o we o mama yen ta iwe because iwa we nu e ma be have a cover we area ya we you understand it now o ma ti call me baba na ka me we 2 million o ma call me we 1 million mo nye ku me o ma mi we ti iye get we we na e na we na phone e dia so but is it things me wo monori e ko yen si me na me kia do ka na we oge no because in my even why we ya we ogi me metana then mani couple where me show ema where we weekend the musician ya yikunia ya gwaligonia ya rieva ene mo ba me we he do we party we ye weekend a weekend ni me kune why when yare ye he yare then adegi maire udo we e ma bege iwa invite we ko mare oh this thing iwa invite we ku o mare understand ado amowu me oh eti mate oni tere di oni re e maniji kwale Lagos artist pop artist iye ji kuyan were gbe yan ma yan the only thing you can see a Davido we marriage oma or yan na mo be bury won ti go yan ya mo na ahian e Davido o ya re marriage oma igwa ya mo na ahian e to ga ahian ru da wo ma ni ri esho oge ona bi ahian then e mani complain na we support oma ma support kabo e.g. somebody like me support him give back to the community. Let me shock you now why so let me use Davido as an example. Davido with your bona fans you don't expect a fancy negi we idea show me ya figo me igo ya lagwa then me were ne bi agwa la fancy me kan ya very igo ni ya with your bona ugben so mani me kan with your bona iya mai wi merokpa iya fancy me iya mai wa me o ma pa begi me go ne ona vie owiye hospital working obie iya ma discharge or hospital egbe mara momo different thing ona ata eri show ene efinu ene iwono na ne iwan we iwa ya bie ya yore na gwele disadoka wa dogun me po me ma ya ni mo go me no ma ina gegun rigbon fo ne fe na we do mo sa ina we o ma no sunu yiban lady sandoka e colleague menu mo lady sandoka mo a lady of songs wa dogun me po me mo swe or teneni or swe ina we but okay ina we calm down ujogo teme ujogo me opanu usogo seme usogo opanu oni mari ma wiki ari we emi no enu ya we be no bomese ina gele wari account were emi no bomese ina transfer ni o mani e fancy me e fancy sadoka no yeah then you didn't need well email okay oh edo mani ma we your bona some are not our fans. They don't even know our songs. They don't even know us. Iya ature out of the one wa very any ma maybe feel boyo maybe ya wi yobo when ma setting you ma ya ogwa la dem social media don ka we give me you e so we do ka dem ne so good time to teach other people how to give. So give me ni ya uladian. Ni ya unewa to teach other people how to give. Then maybe give ni maybe support in very ne or be more ladian. Cause on any ni area neni or ma buy or be more ladian when ni maybe support agu more ladian. Will to come to show off or to come to say na me do pass. No. Oni naga woni. Iwe ni le manata muwawe. Eu yome. A musician is your man. O mame me no si Kenya se kakabone. Iye jiwe o. Tinya yo. Bo form. Major me. Then when it comes to support, my support, very me was support. And many of my colleagues no be support. When it's in we say. Ruda expenses rig eta gari ta me gbebe na that oge be expenses oge so we no bo we say oni na ga woni a musician say so we raw ni vere Europe na iya me re ma me support ya we no be ma say ni mama ya we support mami wa ya we support wa hwe e den gwana me tare we yere you artist be show o ana be prove ari ya ba maya pa maya hin wa monareo have a try wa be monareo to make you all happy so or see any